Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about our last topic of our second chapter, migration. See, what is the meaning of migration is when if you are living in some place, if that place is not suitable for us, and in summer season if you will see if you will live in some hut, and if you live in some we can say very hot place that is not suitable for us in summer season. So what we will do, we will shift our house, she will shift our home from there to some cool place, right? So that is the meaning of migration. We will see in detail here. When the environment becomes unfavorable for animals, here we are learning about animal habitats and adaptation, right? When conditions like when the environment is unfavorable for animals, when the environment becomes unfavorable for animals, it moves away from that place in search of a better and more favorable environment and more favorable environment. Sometimes animals also move in search of food, you know, right? When environment, see, environment is our surrounding, right? And depends on temperature, where they will live, things and all. So when environment is unfavorable means, suppose animals, why they will move from one place to another place? When environment is unfavorable means sometimes increase in temperature, they will move from one place to another place. Okay, if temperature suppose animals are living in one place, if they are living, suppose temperature is very high, still they live there? No, they will move from one place to another place. And suppose if there is lack of water, scarcity of water, पानी की कमी हो जाएंगी अगर, तो still they live there? No, they will move from that place to some other place, right? So they will move from one place to another place. That is the meaning here, migration. If particular animal is living in some environment, if that environment is unfavorable for them for particular season, suppose in summer season if they are living in some place, if their temperature is very high and there is no water, so what they will do, they will shift to other place, they will go to other place. As well as if food is also not there, they will search in, they will move from one place to another place in search of food as well. Okay, understood? Based on season also, right? So summer season, suppose animals are living in one place, what happen if their temperature is very high and if there is no water, there is scarcity of water, पानी की बहुत कमी हो गई है, टेम्परेचर भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, and food is also not there, then what they will do, they will move from one place to some second place, some other place, right? So the animals move from one place to another place based on seasons and in search of food, and if there is temperature is very high and lack of water, is known as migration, moving from one place to another place. As they are not getting the sufficient if they are not getting suitable conditions, environmental conditions. Okay, the seasonal movement of animals from one region to another region is called migration. The seasonal movement of animals, the seasonal movement of animals from one region to another, from one region to another is known as migration, or is called migration. Okay, they are moving from one place to another place and they are not finding suitable environmental conditions, right? The seasonal movement of animals, from seasonal movement means they will move from one place on summer season or winter season. See, one more thing I want to tell here. When some animal is moving from one place to other place or second place, in summer season some animals move from one place to another place because temperature is very high and there is scarcity of water, lack of water, right? When the summer season is not there, is finished, then again they will come back to their places. Okay, that's the main thing here. They'll not live there only. When summer season will go and winter season will come, they'll come back to their places again. That is known as migration. The seasonal movement of animals from one region to another is called migration. When the conditions become favorable, again animals return to their homes. Just now I told you, right? When conditions become favorable, when conditions are good, there's water and as well as there's a temperature is less only, it's moderate only, it's medium only, then at that time they'll come back to their places, come back to their homes again. We will see about some other animals. The Arctic tern travels around 17,000 kilometers from the Arctic region to Antarctic region and then come back again. Okay. The Arctic tern. The Arctic tern. It is a name of a bird. Okay. Arctic tern is the name of a bird. It travels around 17,000 kilometers. Okay. Travel 17,000 kilometers from the Arctic region to Antarctic region. From the Arctic region Antarctic region. Arctic tern is the name of a bird. Okay, it travels from around 17,000 kilometers from the Arctic region to Antarctic region, then comes back to home again when the conditions are favorable to them. The Siberian crane migrates from Russia to India in winters in search of food and warmth. It's a bird like ostrich. Okay, the Siberian crane. Siberian crane. Migrates means move from Russia to India. Migrates from Russia to India in winters in search of food and warmth. In winters in search of food and warmth. That is temperature, right? Reindeer migrate to warmer areas in winters in search of food. Reindeer migrates to warmer areas in winter in search of food. In winter in search of food. Next, whales migrate in search of food and to give birth to their young ones. Whales also migrate. Whales migrate in search of food and to give birth to young ones. And to give birth to young ones. Next one, migration is also seen in butterflies and desert locust. The monarch butterfly migrates from Canada to Mexico during winter and return during summer. Migration is also seen in butterflies also. Okay, monarch butterfly Migrates from Canada to Mexico. Migrates from Canada to Mexico in winter season. Canada to Mexico during winter season, during winter and return during summer. During winter season and return during summer. Winter season and returns during summer. And returns during summer season. They'll come back again in summer season. Okay. Last one is freshwater eels. Migrate. You know eels, right? Freshwater eels migrate from river to the seas for reproduction. Their young ones return to the river. Fresh water eels migrate from rivers to the seas. From rivers to seas for reproductions. For reproduction. They'll come back again. Their young ones return to the water. They'll send their young ones in the water. Their young ones return to the river. Their young ones return to the river. Okay. See here once. Migration is nothing but movement from one. Animals are moving from one place to another place if the conditions are not good, not suitable for them. That is increase in temperature, lack of water, are in search of food. They will move from one place to another place. Okay. The seasonal movement of animals from one region to another is called migration. Okay, based on the seasons, they will move. In summer season, especially, they will move from one place to another place because temperature is very high. In some places, there's scarcity of water. Water is not there. Right. The Arctic tern is a name of a bird. The Arctic tern travels around how many kilometers that bird travels? 17,000 kilometers from the Arctic region to Antarctic region. Okay. The Siberian crane, it is also a bird. It migrates from Russia to India in winter in search of food. Next one, reindeer migrate to warmer areas in winter. And see here, one more thing, the Siberian crane migrates from Russia to India in winter in search of food and warmth because they want a not cold temperature, they want warm temperature. Okay, reindeer migrate to warmer areas in winter in search of food. They will migrate, they will move to which areas? Warm areas in winter, especially in search of food. When summer season will come, again they will come back to their homes. Whales also migrate in search of food and to give birth to young ones. Okay, butterfly such as monarch butterfly migrates from Canada to Mexico. They will move from Canada to Mexico during winter season and returns during summer season. Freshwater eels migrate from rivers to seas for reproduction. Their young ones return to the rivers. Hope you all understood this one. By this topic, we have completed our chapter. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.